Meaning of gybe.
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 Gybe. Gybe is a term used in sailing that describes the maneuver of changing the direction of a sailboat when crossing the wind from one side to the other. The process involves smoothly turning the bow of the boat through the wind while changing the position of the sails. When executed correctly, the boat changes direction without losing much speed and continues on its new course. However, an improperly executed gybe can result in a loss of control or even capsizing the boat. Therefore, it is crucial for sailors to learn and practice this maneuver to ensure a safe and successful sail.